Hello, mega mega love shoutout sa inyong lahat. Welcome sa ating cover songs collection from John Lennon. Yeah. Helen in Germany, the singing bird version. Thank you. Enjoy. Welcome po kayong lahat. Okay. Para sa inyo. Woman. Woman, I can hardly express my mixed emotions and my hopelessness. After all, I'm forever in your deep, and man, I will try to express my inner feelings and thankfulness for showing me the meaning of success. Well, do 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 do. Well, do 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 do. Woman, I know you understand the little child inside a man. Please remember, my life is in your hands. Hold me close to your heart. However distant, don't keep us apart. After all, it's written in the stars. Well, do 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 do. Well, do 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 do. Please let me explain. I never meant to cause you sorrow and pain. So let me tell you again and again and again. I love you. Yeah, yeah. Now and forever. I love you. Yeah, yeah. Now and forever. I love you. Yeah, yeah. Now and forever. I love you. Yeah, thank you so much. Another song from John Lennon. Okay, enjoy. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Ayan, Imagine acoustic version by Helen in Germany, the singing bird. Imagine there's no heaven. It's easy to try. No hell below on a bottom sky. But you know, all sky and the world will be as one. Imagine no positions. I wonder if you can. No need for greed or hunger. A brotherhood, oh man. Imagine all the people sharing all the world. You may say I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. I hope someday you'll join us, and the world will lead us one. Thank you. Another song from John Lennon. Okay. Maraming salamat sa inyo dyan. Enjoy lang po tayo. Ayan. Oh my love. So much sa lahat. Ayan, yun po yung ating cover song today from John Lennon. Okay, maraming salamat po sa inyo. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. And sa susunod na naman nating mga covers. Okay, I love you guys. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Enjoy!